How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account, it is pretty simple, as you need to purchase an item of your Visa gift card, but make sure to know about the credit limit of the gift card as well. Now let's begin. Search for Amazon.com in a preferred browser or launch your Amazon application if installed. So from here, you need to go ahead and select an item that you wish to purchase using your gift card. Once you have successfully added it, tap on the cart icon at the top. Then click on Proceed to check out. So over here, you will see this option, Add a gift card promo code or voucher. You can toggle it on. So right over here in this field, enter code, you need to enter your Visa gift card code that would be at the back side of your card. Once you enter the code, click on the continue button. You will also see some of the substantial discount in the grand total. So that is how you'll be able to use a Visa gift card balance in your Amazon. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.